How much gold is in a gold watch? Like in this popular model, the Rolex Day-Date 40, reference number 228238, which is going for around $39,000 right now in the market. Can you guess what portion of that price is actually due to the value of gold? Take a wild guess. Would you say 50%? Maybe 60%? Hold that thought for a moment, and by the end of the video, comment how close you really were. In the meantime, let's talk a bit about gold. You know that shiny metal worth about $1,900 an ounce when this video was recorded? Gold is actually a pretty popular investment, outperforming the US stock market in the last 20 years. From 2000 to 2020, you would have multiplied your investment in gold by 7 times. That's more than double the return of the S&P 500 during the same period, and that's assuming all dividends were reinvested, which doesn't always happen. Excluding dividends, it's 4 times more, a huge difference. But back to our little Rolex experiment. To find out how much gold the watch really contains, we need to weigh all the parts made out of actual gold. To do that, we first had our preferred watchmaker, Chronosky, take the watch apart for us.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize.
Even though the hands of a Rolex watch are also made out of gold, they weigh less than 1/10 of a gram. That's at most a few dollars in today's market. As a result, we excluded them from our actual calculation. It's also important to note that a gold watch is not made out of pure gold. It is made out of 18-karat gold, which is around 75% gold by weight. Notice the approximate 75% figure on our precious metals analyzer. We then weigh each gold piece one by one to come up with the final weight.
The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat.
178.3 grams. 178.3 grams of 18-karat gold times 0.75 gives us a total of around 133.7 grams of pure gold. Times $61 a gram, we get $8,156, which is around 20% of the actual price of the watch. Surprised? Think back to the chunk of pure gold you saw on the thumbnail of this video. Let's see how it compares to the 133.7 grams of pure gold in our Rolex watch. 340.5 grams of 24-karat gold are worth about $20,770, more than 2.5 times the gold value of our watch. So as far as our experiment goes, only about 1/5 of the value of this Rolex watch actually comes from gold. This varies somewhat from watch to watch, but not by a lot, and it shows that most of the value of a gold luxury watch doesn't have anything to do with its precious metal content. Now it's time to see how well you did. Was your guess close to the 20% figure or way off? Let me know in a comment below, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to find out when we upload more videos like these. Thanks for watching.